Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation on your iPhone 12 where, for some reason, anytime you pick up a phone call or really any other notification, for some reason, the notification sound, the ringtone, the ding, whatever, basically that sound will kind of fade away and it'll be really hard to hear unless you really are paying attention to it. And if you're in a loud environment, if you're around like other people and you're just on your phone, it may be hard to even hear the notification anyway. And with iOS 14, the little drop down menu can sometimes be shown away into a little thing, and you may even not even know you're getting a call. So in order to actually fix this, what you want to do is you probably have an iPhone that has Face ID. If you don't have a phone that has Face ID, this is iPhone 12 exclusive, but if you have a phone like an iPhone 8 or something, that's not even a feature, so I don't even know why you're watching this video. But to fix this, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings app. You'll come into a page like this. You want to scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. So as you can see, Face ID and passcode is right here. So all you have to do is go ahead and tap on Face ID and passcode. You'll pretty much come into this page. Now, if you have Face ID enabled, which I'm sure you do, this basically means that anytime you have an alert, it'll basically scan your face to double check and verify that that specific face is the one of the phone, and it'll go ahead and dim and lower your notifications, your display, and even the sounds of your ringtone. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find this little option called Attention Aware Features. Now what this does, it pretty much describes exactly what I just said. It said iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. Now at this point, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn this off. So once you turn that off, you'll see that if you get a call, if you get whatever, basically it will still stay the same volume. Whether you have it increased in volume or lowered in volume, as long as you don't hit the side of your phone with the volume buttons or the power button, that phone call, that ringtone, whatever, will pretty much still display and alert you the same exact volume, which is really, really cool. So that's exactly how to fix that. Again, you go into your settings, you go into Face ID and passcode, which is right here, and you turn off Attention Aware Features. And that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything, also love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.